Are you looking for an easy way to drive app installs and boost conversions? Well, I've tested App Install Pro, a platform that helps advertisers promote their apps by running targeted install campaigns. And if you sign up through my link in the description, you get a $20 off to start and run app install campaigns. But does it actually deliver a result, or is it just another overhyped tool? Let's find out. When you sign up and get access, you can see this is how your campaign page will look. You can see that we already have some campaigns running. We have this Bitcoin blocks campaign running, and we also have our super unlimited campaign running. You can see that we put them on specific app installs. And I currently have this on Bitcoin blocks game, and I currently have this on this Dream Farm Harvest Day game. So what matters is I have the app. I have put $5 for the apps ad to run, and now I can get profit or loss from it. So let me reload the page, and you can see that this is the profit I have, and this is the loss I have here. So if you want to create a new campaign, as I said, if you want $20 off, you should use the link in my description, and I also have offers that you can get through the link in the description. So you can create a new campaign. Let's use this different campaign. We'll call it VPN1. You can really put any name. Let me put any name. Just call this DC tests. Continue. So now we're going to pick what traffic type or what zone ID that we want, and I can also see the cost per click. So let's pick, I just search for, let's search for anyone, 15002. Let's pick this one. Continue. I'm going to pick that one. Then we'll take a look at the ones that are here. We should also take note of the payout, the operating system, the offer name, and also the thumbnail. So these are the apps that are running ads that we can add our own money into. So let's say we want to pick this Alarmy. And if we're good with that, continue. You can see that you have a lot of options. You have a lot of options. Similar to the zone ID, you can put a lot of options. Now you can put a budget amount. Let's say we want to put $5. Now we can create campaign. And you can see that it has already been there. So you can see that we have a lot of clicks on those ads, but we're not getting conversion. So but you can always edit the campaign. When you're editing the campaign, here it's just to change the name. But if you want to add more money, or you want to remove the money that you've put, this is where you do it. And if you want to delete the campaign, you can delete it, but you can see that you need to have no budget on it. So let's reload again. So you can see currently we have 22082560. Let's reload and see if we have more clicks. So you can see that now that we've reloaded, we have more clicks here. Now it has increased, and this has also increased. So based on what is put on that platform, you know if you have conversions and if you have offers. So as you do your research, you know which one is doing better. So this is the main campaign. But if you want to take a look at your payouts, you can see a note that you can see total number of earnings that you already have. But what you should look out for is that you cannot take your payout until you've made $200 here. So it means that as you put more money, you're likely to make more money. So if for this specific campaign I put a higher budget, my budget was $5, but say I put a budget of $50 on it, that means that my profit currently will be about $2.4. So as you put more money and you vary which one is working, which one is not working, and sometimes you might just hit the jackpot, then you get a higher payout. So you get your payout at every $200, and you need to update with your PayPal so that it can be paid directly to your PayPal account. And also you can take a look at your balance history to see where you got the $20 off. Like I said, you can do that through the link in my description, and sorry, and you can use it to specific. So you can see I did this to Bitcoin blocks, to super unlimited, and to density test. So I think that's mainly it. You can always see your total earnings in whichever page that you are on. You can see the account balance that you currently have, and also you can take a look and edit your account information. So if you have any question about App Install Pro, because there might be some confusion about it, you can ask in the description of this video and we'd love to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to Digitech. My name is Toby, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.